Hey there, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Super Simple Tech. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to effortlessly download and install any application of your choice on your laptop or desktop. It's a straightforward process, guys. So let's dive into the tutorial. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Yes, I'm sure you want to stay updated to all the tech nuances that I bring up here. So now when it comes to downloading applications, you would need to open your preferred browser. I know every single person has that one particular browser that they like using. For whatever reason, the pros it has and everything it does for you. Anyways, so you could either use maybe Firefox or Brave, or maybe your preferred browser could even be Google Chrome. Yeah, it could be Google Chrome or even Microsoft Edge. Any browser that's your preferred choice, any browser that you like using. Or you could even go to your taskbar, because sometimes it's either on the desktop or on the taskbar. And then sometimes you could just even go and search for it. Just search, maybe you could type Firefox and just search for Firefox, and then you can open it. Any browser of your choice. Me, I just prefer Firefox. And then once you get to open the Firefox, you open it, just type it and open it or check from the taskbar. Then you would go into your search bar, the search bar on the browser that you have picked to use, and then you type in Microsoft Store, because for the purpose of this video we're using Microsoft. So we're going to type in Microsoft Store for you to be able to download any application that you like. So you type in your Microsoft Store, and yeah. Okay, now after typing Microsoft Store, now you can see it's a bigger list of options, and you go down, you check, and you click on the Microsoft Store. Yeah, that one. You click on it. You click on the Microsoft Store, and once you see the Microsoft Store is now opened. Then you can scroll down and you see a lot of things you can download. So there's TikTok, there's LinkedIn, there's Adobe Photoshop, there's iTunes. Any application that you'd want to download from here, you can even see from the icon there's apps, there's home, there's games. Or another way for you to go to your Microsoft Store is you go to the search bar and then you type in your Microsoft Store, and from there you click open. So you see your Microsoft Store, and then you can open it from there, from your search bar. Every Microsoft laptop comes with that, but it just depends on how you want to go about opening it. There's so many different, there's no really standard way for you to open it. And then once you open it, you can see different applications. There's iTunes, there's WhatsApp, there's Xbox, there's iCloud, there's Spotify, TikTok, Adobe Acrobat, iTunes, whatever application you want to download for whatever reason. It's your personal choice, preference, whether games, movies, anything. You could also type it in the search bar. So for the purpose of this video, I think maybe we should just download the game. Yeah, something simple. Let's download Candy Crush. Yeah, I know Candy Crush has been around for quite a while now, and it's one game that actually eases off stress for me. Yes, I don't play it so much anymore, but yeah. So you type in your Candy Crush, you click on it, and once you click on it, you would see an icon that shows you to install. Yes, ensure you are connected to the internet. Wherever you are, ensure the internet is working, because if not, you try and install, it's not going to work. So you click the button to install, and then it starts downloading and trying to install the Candy Crush application. You might have to wait a while depending on the speed of download of your internet, the downloading speed of your internet. So yeah, there, it's been downloaded now, and you could just open it. So that's the play button there, so I just clicked play, and then the Candy Crush opens. Then you can just play around the steps there, whether accepting or not accepting. But that's not the purpose of this video, not teaching you how to use Candy Crush, but I'm just showing you that that is how you download the Candy Crush. And after downloading it, sometimes it depends on where you save it on the settings of your laptop. Sometimes you could actually see, once you download an item, you could just see that right there on your desktop, depending on how you set the settings of any download you put on your laptop. Or you can just go to the search bar and look for it, like see, just search Candy Crush, and then you can either pin to start or pin it to taskbar, depending on your choice. If it's something you just want to see right up once you turn on your laptop or desktop, you can change the settings however you want. Or you could even check the settings. If there's anything wrong with it, you just check the battery usage, terminate, reset, like just anything. You play around it depending on what you want. It's a personal choice, it's your application, but be careful to not click on anything that would ruin the installation, or maybe uninstall it by mistake if you're not sure. So that is it, the downloading. There you have it. You have successfully installed an application on your laptop using the Microsoft Store, and you can definitely repeat this process for various applications. So maybe whether it's Instagram, whether it's Snapchat, whether it's TikTok, any application of your choice, now you know the hang of it, how to download it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and if you have enjoyed it and you have gained value from this, consider subscribing to the channel for more tech insights. Yeah, I'm so glad that you're able to download. Let me know what applications you got to download on your laptop or desktop. Yeah, so thank you for watching. See you soon, and bye for now for more tech insights. Thank you.